Welcome back. Today we are looking at stars. So without wasting time, we clear our screen and get a text to work on. That's serial number, software, have name, address, yeah, amount. This is month. This is 1. This is 2. Fair. Tom. Joe. James. Bill. Address. Have 1, 2, 3. XY. EDF. America. Then here we have 3, 4, 5. Go down. Lagos. And we have 86,000. We have 100,000. Okay. So this is our text. Let's bring it up. So for the conditional formatting, we have different options. We have highlight cells rules, where cells will be highlighted with text having values greater than others, less than others, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring. As when you have to deal with text to and duplicate values. Here, you can select values that occurs more than once. You can even define your rules yourself. We have top to bottom rules. This one has top 10 items, percentage of 10, bottom 10 items, size, and like that. We have above average and below average. We have more data bars where bars will be selected. Like the data will be selected with bars. Color scales, colors will be given. Icon sets, an icon will be placed on the data or in your table. Let's use text that contains, and we'll write down so that it will select text that has down with light red field. We want to change this to green field with dark green text. Click on OK. As we select it first, then you click on the conditional formatting, you point to it, text that contains down. You can see it's already selected. Click OK. So this one is the one that has down in Lagos. Or we can say above, highlight text that is greater than 86, or that is greater than 90,000. Because we have just two values, so it will select the 100,000 and leave out 86 because that is below 90.